Hey, it's Dr. Dan here. Happy summer to you. I want to invite you to our 90-day wellness challenge. This is our chance that we really take the opportunity over the summer to transform your health. Whether your goals are, maybe you just want to lose weight. Maybe you want to work on those cholesterol numbers. Maybe you want more muscle mass. Maybe you just want to feel a little bit healthier over the summer. This is the program for you. This is a doctor-supervised wellness transformation challenge. So let me tell you what we're going to do. We're going to bring you in. We're going to do an initial assessment. We're going to look at all the body biometrics. We're going to do a weigh-in. We're going to look at your body fat. We're going to look at your muscle mass. We're going to look at all of those numbers, and we're going to create a program for you. We've got a manual where we're going to guide you through step by step how to do your nutrition, what kind of exercises, what kind of supplementation. We're even going to address any injuries that might be there because this is a doctor-supervised program. Any necessary diagnostics, we're going to take care of all of that. And then at the end, we're going to do our weigh-ins, we're going to do our check-ins, and you're going to love the results. So this is a really, really cool program. We love doing this over the summer. We get amazing results with it. So this offer, our 90-day challenge, is only valid until July 31st of this summer. Okay, so we really got to jump on this. And because it's a special year, it's the 250th anniversary of the United States, we're doing 25% off the whole program, but that's only valid till July 31st. So if you're interested in that challenge, you really want to make a change, call our office, book the appointment for your challenge today.